Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 71, Quranic Verses, Worshipping with Calmness and Dignity. Whoever venerates the public symbols and rituals set up by Allah, such as Jumu'ah and Eid prayers, the call to the prayer, the sacrifice, and the rites of the pilgrimage, surely it is because of the true piety and the Allah consciousness of their hearts. Al-Hajj 22:32, hadith number 370, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Adhan 20, Sahih Muslim, Masajid 151. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported, I heard the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, say, when the prayer is done, do not come to it running, come to it walking. You must be tranquil. Pray what you catch and complete what you miss.